Hey there, this is Wendy. So glad you're joining me today. This is August's Class to Go pre-order opportunity. So from now until August 15th, you are going to be able to get your hands on this awesome Class to Go. So you have a couple choices. You can either order just the videos for $20, which honestly rarely anyone does, or you could get just the card kits for $25, or for just an extra $7 you can add on a stamp set, either Sunny Days stamp set or Dandelion Wishes. These are the card kits. There's 4 of them. There will come with 2 kits of each, so you'll get to make 8 projects total. And if you wanted to get both stamp sets plus the card kits plus all the exclusive videos and all that stuff, it would be $47. So you could get 2 stamp sets plus all the card kits for $47. So I hope you consider purchasing our Class to Go. Fellow demonstrator Katina Martinez and myself put these together, and we each designed 2 cards, and the kits come just like you saw there. These are a couple of the inks that I used in case you want to purchase any of the inks, and she used crushed curry ink as well. And so yeah, the kits will come and with the stamp sets, and then you can put them all together, and we have exclusive videos showing you how to do that. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you purchase these at my website at loveandstampin.com. and you can check all the information out there. Links are also below this video, so if you have any questions about anything like that, you can always click on the links below the video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.